Hi, we are back with the next edition of Amber on the Go. Today we are at a property called 4th Street Commons in Miami. And the best part about this property is it is very much in the center of the city. And we would take you inside and we'll make you see what makes this property an absolute best for student housing in this area. Look at the property, it's huge, but at the same time, you'll see inside how cozy it feels as a community. As you can see, it's on the corner itself. Look at the area around. It's a quiet neighborhood, pretty comfortable with all the amenities nearby.
Follow me this way, we're gonna actually go to the pool area.
Awesome.
So here we do host events. We also have our fourth club, but for the pool area, we live in Miami, so it's just such a convenient.
You have to have a pool.
Yes. Just for tanning, we have events. Sometimes we do have sponsored events. One time we did have energy drinks come. It was from Bang Energy Drinks.
Okay.
And they came, they put out a tent, they put out some games for our residents, so it's super fun out there.
Wow, that's a view.
Yeah.
So when you talk about the amenity, really, what is the most used amenity of the building?
I would say the fourth club. I don't know, you'd be surprised because it's such good weather out here. It is the fourth club.
Yeah.
It's just you have a pool table, you can go ahead and host guests, you can study. It's just like a multi-purpose room, really.
Perfect. Wow. Look at the view.
And over here, you could also host for like grilling, anything that you may need. But we do have 2 grills, and we actually have a fire pit a little up ahead. I know it's Florida.
Wow, professional, huh? You're going full on with the fire pit. I like it. Wow, if you look, it's quite nestled in between the buildings.
Yeah.
So that way you have a lot of privacy. And at the same time, yeah, you can have fun and you can just relax.
Again, for Florida, you may not need a fire pit, but maybe in the winter months in December. Like,
All right. It's another cozy space to spend some chilly evenings in Florida. Awesome.
now we're gonna head on over to our fitness room. So our yoga room is actually pretty brand new to the property.
Okay.
It's about maybe like 2 years old at the most.
Okay.
It was an addition to our property, and it comes with the yoga mats. Just if you're interested in doing Pilates, you can put it up on the screen as well. So again, multi-purpose room. People use it for dancing as well. So
Well, to each his own, if
Yeah.
whatever makes you happy.
right. And this amenity is actually open from 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. all the way
Okay.
to midnight.
Oh,
So
all
it's a
right.
pretty good range.
Yeah, that's a pretty good range, yes.
Sorry, as you can see, it's being used, but this is our yoga
Fine.
room.
We'll just take a minute, yeah? All right. Let's go.
Ready? Alrighty, and this is
The game room.
yes.
Awesome.
This is essentially what I was saying. It is a multi-purpose room.
Wow.
We have some student study, table. We do host events here as well. We have TVs just in case you want to host on your own.
I love the lighting.
Yeah.
Barring anything else, it makes that mini bar right in the property. Yeah, love it.
We can go this way.
Yeah.
And this is actually open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Same thing with the 2 hours since they're
Okay.
connected. Alright, so this is going to be our gym.
Yes.
Our gym is open from 5:30 a.m. all the way to midnight. And then we just have
just take a quick look from here.
And this is actually renovated it with machines and equipment within the last 2 years as well.
Wow. You know, in most of our surveys, we have found out that off lately, gyms have been one of the top 3 amenities in
Yes.
any property that we have on our platform.
It is.
Yeah.
It is very heavily used. And even if you want to do like stretching, there is like a little corner just.
Yeah. Got it. Perfect.
Alright, we can go. How are you feeling so far?
I'm feeling good. What about you?
Perfect, feeling great.
Great.
So we're actually going to head on over to our model unit,
Yes.
or the most anticipated
Yes.
stop of the tour.
Yes.
Everybody, you follow me? And the model that I'm going to be showing you is going to be our 4x4 pool view.
Okay.
We do have different layouts. We have over 17 different layouts for our city view.
Okay.
So this is just going to be one of the layouts of the menu.
Got it.
And here we are.
Wow, that's spacious.
Yes. And here we have the kitchen, we have the living room. It actually comes fully furnished. So pretty much everything that you see here except the decorations is going to come included within the price that you pay. So we have the sofa, the coffee table, even the TV does come with it. So that's a good plus.
And that's the
sofa
priced
chair, yeah.
view we were talking about.
Yes.
All right.
And actually, all of our units do come with a balcony, in exception of some 4x4s, very minimal, but most of our 4x4s do come with balconies, an exception as well as studios, just in case you get one of those. And right over here, we can start with the rooms. So we actually have 2 en-suites and 2 exteriors.
Got it.
So this is going to be the en-suite, the bathroom inside of the room.
All right. The ensuite unit.
Yes, and it comes with the bed, the mattress, the chair, the desk, and then you get 2 dresser doors in addition to the closet.
Pretty spacious. Yeah.
And then you also have the bathroom over here.
Perfect. Look at the fixtures.
And then this is gonna be a little bit less. So it's gonna be around $20 less or so, just depending. We are working on a tiered system.
Okay.
But this is the one with the bathroom on the outside. So it's just pretty much just a walk distance away.
Yeah.
And this is the bedroom that comes with it.
Wow. The closet space is also pretty good now.
Yeah, so just in case you do have, you're a fashionista or, you're into you're into fashion, you have the closet and then you also have your dresser doors.
Yes.
And even some students add additional furniture onto this and they make it their own space.
Perfect.
One of the good things is that we have an in-unit laundry. So right here, you don't have to go to a laundromat. I feel like for a lot of students coming from dorms to an apartment complex, this is like a plus.
Plus, huge plus.
Right over here. Same thing applies, the bathroom in the inside. Just a little bit of a different layout and different decoration, but same thing comes with them. And then this is the one with the bathroom in the inside.
Perfect. All right. That's the third one, right?
Yes, this is going to be the last one with the exterior, the bathroom on the outside.
Oh, I love the wall art.
Yeah. We tried to incorporate different themes so people feel a little bit more at home, just see themselves in the rooms.
Yeah, that's pretty solid. I'll buy that.
And for the kitchen, as I mentioned before, it does come with all of the appliances except the coffee machine.
Yeah.
But you do get 4 bar stools as well as we do have our fridge. We do have some refreshments there if you would like.
No, thank you.
And then you do get your pantry space as well.
Wow. Now that one I would love with full
Yeah.
stocked up.
That concludes our 4x4 model tour. Do you have any questions?
So hey Annie, I have last one for you. I want to know, if a student comes to this property, what would make this an absolute best destination for them? What would make this to be preferred by them?
Yeah, definitely. I feel like there is, as you can see throughout the tour, it's a lot of different things that we have incorporated into our property that really just makes it stand out. However, I do feel that just our coziness and our close-knit community, we have definitely built relationships with our residents. So I feel that that on its own, it just, you have to be here to experience it. Not only that, but we do have different community events that we'd love to have our residents be a part of, whether it's a grab and go, whether it's an actual sit down. We even had a movie night by the pool. So I just feel like even that, seeing everybody come together is just so special. And again, you just have to be there to experience it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you so much for your time.